Hello all, welcome to this video Chocolatey Practical. In this video, I'm showing some software applications and packages which we use in our daily life. Those applications and softwares I will be installing by using Chocolatey. How this gonna be done? By using single line instruction. I already had discussed these instructions and introduction of Chocolatey in my previous video. If you want to see that video, I am putting that video link under my description section. You can just click on that link. It will be redirected to that video. You can see it, you can enjoy it. But as of now, I am demonstrating the practical way of chocolating. So let's start the practical. I am opening Internet Explorer. I am using virtual machine on Microsoft Azure. So you can type chocolatey.org in your browsers. It will be redirecting to the web page of Chocolatey. If you want more information, you can scroll down. He is the founder of Chocolatey and he is the senior software engineer of Chocolatey. Uh, as of now, I was interested in installation. I'm just clicking on this get started button. It will be redirecting to installation of Chocolatey. Step 1 is optional, guys. You can, if you want, you can do that. But as of this video, I'm interested only on installation. So for installation purpose, I am using PowerShell. I am clicking on PowerShell. Make sure you open PowerShell as administrator. You can see my PowerShell is as running as administrator. Go to the Chocolatey page, installation page. I am using PowerShell. Okay, you just need to type this command, copy it, paste it over command, paste it over PowerShell. My case it's showing all sign, it's well, but in your case if it's shown something like restricted like this, you need to execute this line or this line also. Any of these two lines you can execute. For your understanding, I am using this line. I'm just copying it, pasting it on my PowerShell. Type yes, like if you can type capital Y, I mean uppercase Y letter. It will be in, policy has been executed properly. If I again type get execution policy, you will be getting like this. Make sure you need to do these three steps which I shown over here. Okay. Now let's install the Chocolatey by running the command like this. Copy this command, paste it, and type. Click on enter. It will be installing Chocolatey in your machine. While installing, if you can see any errors, that means you missed some uh, execution steps. If you can see some errors, copy that error and paste it on Google. You will see some things, some changes you have to be done. If you can see in my mission, some warnings are there. These warnings you can ignore it. You can see that you can ignore it. It's safe only. Now I'm typing the command Choco. It will show me the version of which I installed on this machine. It will show that. Okay. Now I'm clearing the screen. Now I wanted to install Google Chrome. For this, I'm going to web page, click on home page, and click on find packages. You can see most of the packages can install. Suppose in my case, I wanted to install Google Chrome. You just need to copy this command. You can, if you click on this button, it will be copying. Sorry, it's clearing the screen. I'm copying it and pasting it over here. You can see Chaco install Google Chrome by clicking on enter button. It's going to be installed. It's asking me if you are familiar with Linux or Mac, you will be seeing these steps. Same process here also you can do that by clicking on Y means yes over here. Okay, I'm clicking on yes. It's installing. I mean, I already re-downloaded it. I already downloaded that. That's why it's showing me. In your case, it will be installing for you. Depending on your internet speed, it will install for you. Suppose I wanted to show something for you. You can install VLC media player also by typing VLC in search icon. You can see VLC has been shown over here. Chaco install VLC. If you want Git, it's an version control system. If you want this, by typing this command, you can install Git. It's taking some time. Don't worry. Uh, why I'm recommending this in multiple organizations? This approach is following by them. That's why I got an update from them. So that's why I'm using this over here. You can see Google Chrome is recently added. Previously, when I am typing PowerShell, you can see here no application was there. Now it's installing. If I minimize my PowerShell, this also browser also you can see it is being installed. I don't know. It will take some time in PowerShell, but rather than doing it manually, it's an headache process. I can say it's a headache process only. By clicking on next, 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 and click on finish button, it will be uh, installed properly. It's a simple process only. It's not a difficult process. I am just pausing the video. You can see Chocolatey has been installed. I'm just clearing the screen. Suppose I wanted to install Git over here. Chaco, I already shown you. Chaco install Git hyphen Y. It won't ask me yes button like that. It will be installing directly without asking any prompt messages like that. You can see it's been approved. Again, it's based on your internet speed. It will be installing. I don't know. My internet speed was too much slow today. Again, I'm pausing the video. Yes, our installation has been succeeded. You can see over here environment variables like path variables have been changed. If you close or reopen your shell, you see the changes in PowerShell.command.exe. You just type refresh environment. You need to close the PowerShell. They are telling that, but uh, I'm just typing the command like refresh environment. It will be refreshing you. You can see I'm just clicking on my Windows button. Git has been installed. If I wanted to install many software applications, you need to type these commands like that. Choco install Git, Choco install Firefox. If you wanted to install programming language like Python, for that also you need to do the command like Choco install Python -y. For this, I am showing some shortcut way for you. The way which I am showing, if anybody knows about PowerShell, it will be easy for them by using the command of notepad installer.ps1. I wanted to create this file. This I am going to show some of the things for you. I wanted to install some packages or softwares like Firefox, like this, and I wanted to install VLC, and I also wanted to install Notepad. Yes, if I wanted to install Notepad++, I don't know, I didn't remember that. Uh, I will see this by typing that it will show for us Notepad++. For this, you have to use this command, just copying it and pasting it over here. You can also install Spotify app. This was my favorite for listening the music. I found why. If I save it and close this notepad, just clearing the screen. If I type dot slash installer, the file name of that, if I click enter over here, it will install Firefox, remaining packages which are needed for me, which I mentioned over the installer file. It will be installing for us. Again, I told you, depending on the internet speed, it will take some time for you. I can say I can take my lunch break also for this. This was the craziest step. You can drink coffee if you want to go some drink coffee or tea. If you want tea break, you can do that. You can see my softwares are installing Firefox, VLC. If you can see in my desktop taskbar, it's been showing this Firefox icon over here. The defaultly it will select all the things for us. That's the beauty of Chocolatey, I can say. If you can click on this button, you can see Firefox, and you can also see VLC also. .NET, VS Code, If I type again Windows, it will show me VLC Media Player. VS Code is also installing over here. You can take any break while installing the softwares. If you have many things like Java, if you want Maven, if you want Docker, if you want Selenium, these all kind of steps are being installed. This can be done in Chocolatey. Only thing is you need to go to the web page. You need to type the package which you want, the software which you want. Suppose if I want Python, by key typing like this, you can see 3.8.6 version it's going to be installed. You can see Spotify is also showing us in my taskbar. Spotify is installed. Notepad++ also has been installed. VS Code is also installed. You can see Spotify is installed. VS Code is installed. Git I already performed previously. All the things has been installed. Suppose if I type again that command refresh environment, it's been refreshed. Suppose if I wanted to install Python by typing this command, it will install Python for you. You can see 3.8.6 version has been installing. Again, I have to type yes. Again, I have to type yes. You can see these many steps it will ask. If you type -y while keeping that command itself, it won't ask you that much. If I type A over here, it will do all the things. It won't ask you next step. If I click on again Windows button, you can see Python 64-bit. It's been came up. You can see these are all the packages of Python has been installed in my system. If I type again, refresh my environment, it will be refreshing for you. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. The way of installation of softwares by using Chocolatey. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please click on like button. You can share it to someone else also. Thank you.